Welcome back to PracknCrackPCM. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you conversion of non-terminating and repeating decimals to fractions in an easy way. I'm going to tell you a trick in the end of the video which is going to help you to solve this kind of question in competitive exams so that you can save your time. So I'm gonna go with the basics to teach you this, and then I'm going to come to a conclusion of a rule and going to tell you my trick. So guys, let's start. So guys, our first question here is 0.555 ... which means that 5 is repeated infinitely. So to solve this kind of questions, first we have to assume 0.555 as a variable, which is x in this case. So x is equal to 0.555 ... which means 0.5 over bar. So when we assume this as x and when we multiply x and 0.555 by 10, we get it as 10x is equal to 5.555 because there is infinitely number of 5. So even if we take sum of the 5 to this side, the amount will remain the same because infinite minus something is equal to infinite. So guys, when we get these two equations, our first equation is equation number 1, our second equation is equation number 2. So when we do 2 minus 1 or second equation minus first equation, we will get the following. 10x minus x is equal to 9x. So 10x minus x is equal to 9x. And we should do similarly on the other side to make the equation equal, as we know. So 5.555 minus 0.555 is going to give you 5.000. So 9x is equal to 5.000, or you can say it as 5 because 0 after the point have no value. So hence x is equal to 5 by 9 because when 9 goes to the other side, x will be equal to 5 divided by 9. So after doing this, I have got a common rule which I see in most of the questions like this, in which there is no 0 after point and there is only a particular set of digits repeating. So the common rule is if we get a number in decimal form in which there is only one kind of digits repeated after 0 point except 0, like if it is 0.000, it has no value, so leaving that, other than that except 0, then 0.555 is equal to 5 divided by 9, as you can see here, and 0.666 is equal to 6 divided by 9. So this is the common rule, and 6 divided by 9 can also be written as 2 by 3, which is a simplified form. Or if there are more than one kind of digit set repeated, so like 9, 8 is repeated in this case, so two numbers are repeated. So we are going to put 9, 8 divided by 2 9s. Okay, so this is the rule, and there is something more about this, so I'm going to tell you that. So the number with the digit with the bar on it is the number of 9 in the denominator. So as you can see here, 396 is having bar, which is nothing but 0.396. So it is like this, 0.396 repeated infinitely. So this is the case here. So there is also another method, or you can say there is also another trick which we can use. So it is for numbers like 0.036. So in this we are having 0 after the number, and also there is no bar on 0. So it is like this. Okay, sorry, I have made a mistake here. It is actually like this. This number is like 0.036 036, and it is having a bar over here, and same way here also 0.0098, and 98 is having a bar here. So as we have been told that if the number of digits having bar will be the number of 9 in the denominator, hence here 2 digits are having bar over them, so the denominator will be 29. In the denominator there will be 29, and here also it is the same case, so 2 nines. Now the second method, or you can say the second thing is, if we get this kind of question, if there is a 0 before the digits, so I am going to put that same 0. So here 10 is there after the point and before the bar, before the digits repeated, so I am going to put 10. Here also after the point there are 2 zeros, and before the numbers repeated there are 2 zeros. So between them how many zeros are there? We are going to put that number of zeros in the denominator after 2 nines in this case. Okay guys, so if you want some more example I can give you, like 0.000563. so as you can see here there is a bar over 5, 6 and 3. So here we are having 3 zeros, and 563 is in this 3 digits are inside the bar, so we are gonna write it like this: 5, 6, 3 divided by 9, 9 and 9, because there are 3 digits below the bar and there are 3 zeros as we can see here. So I am gonna put 3 zeros after these 3 nines. So this is the second rule. Now in my next video I am going to give you one more trick which is very useful, and it is also similar to the tricks which is given here. Okay, so you won't regret seeing that video because the trick is not known to many teachers, and I have personally found that many teachers don't tell this in the schools or some coaching centers, but I found this in a competitive book. Thank you for watching my video and making yourself to learn something. If you got something new from my video, then click on the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to receive updates of my new video first. Wait, if you haven't yet seen my first video, then click on the I button and check it out. Bye bye guys.